What is up, guys? It is Claudia. So today we are actually going to be heading to the trading servers because a new chroma came out, and I'm really excited to see if we can hop into these trading servers to see if we can do this. Hopefully none of them are full. When we join, we're just going to try to get this chroma. You guys know I'm stacked. Okay, there's 4 people here looking for the chroma Darkbringer. I want to offer. I'll trade a chroma Luger for it. Although I think the Darkbringer might be more. I am willing to OP for it because like this is. It looks like a really cool gun. Who has the new chromas? Okay, all right. Hold on. So first we gotta check profile. All right. So none of these guys have it. Let's check this guy. No, no. I don't think anyone has it yet. Like, and the people who do, like, yeah, no, like this is a bad server. All right, let's try a different server. I'm good, bro. I need to add some of the new stuff. Nice. I'm looking for the chroma. No, I'm not gonna offer those columns. You're probably gonna want a chroma or something. I need to get this new chroma. Although I highly doubt anybody has it. This is like the new update. They have like the new maps and everything, which I'm kind of excited because I saw that there's like a new cloning thing, which I'm super freaking excited about. And I'm really excited. I really hope that this comes out good. This is like a super dope update. The weapon, it's kind of like it's got like a Valkyrie feel to it because like the wings. But yeah, I don't think anyone here has Doombringer yet. Okay, so you have the Bioblade, but Bioblade sucks. Anyone can buy it. Nope. No, but I don't think anyone here has that chroma yet. Yeah, no. People have been unboxing. Yep, people have just been unboxing. Profile. Nope. Nope. Alright. We're just gonna be hopping. Oh, guys, I also have another video that I'm gonna make right now. I think everyone's like starting to hit the trading servers right now because like this is really insane. If I go through all the trading servers, I'm gonna wait and not do anything because I still want to have a chance to go through like the new BIOS, the new or like the new map. I really want to test out the new map. So yeah, see how that goes. How many people on the server? Ooh, there's a lot of people in the server. Okay, Team AFK's in here. He's one of my homeboys. Let's see what if he has it. No, no, just Chromasaw. Let's see, nobody has any of the new stuff. This guy just has old stuff, don't need that. I'm interested in Season 1, Eternal 3. I actually kind of do need that, but I need to get better items. That Chroma Laser, don't need that. Nope. Nope. What do I have? I'm pretty OP. I need to put my Chroma Luger. Yeah, I got a good amount of chromas. I want to find out, bestie, bro. What are you talking about? I'm not. Who is this? The only 7. Do I know you? Alright. As you can see, I have my Dominus Perfectus equipped. Jesper, who's that? Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna dip. Let's try transfer on one last server, and if not, we are gonna vote for the new map, so that way we can get like an understanding for it. Cause like it's like so live. I saw it. Oh, the game is full. This must be like the good one. Okay, this must be like the really good one. This must be the good one. This must be the good one. Oh yeah, guys, don't worry. I'm safe from the coronavirus. I know I live in Houston and it's over here, but we are all good. It's all good. But yeah, I am super hyped for the new stuff. Check out Ferris' video real quick. I know he's doing his Chroma giveaway. Well, we got 1.k likes on it. That's dope. But yeah, it's been a month, so I'm trying to get in here. Hopefully I can get in, and if not, yeah, no, it's too full. No, let me in. All right. Oh, here we go. We're in. Okay, this is a stacked server. I don't know any of these people. I might know him. I actually think I might know him. He's probably in like the background of my videos before. But yeah, so fresh server, looking for the new chromas. I'm stacked, so I can afford it. I'm not gonna try to pay too much though, because I feel like it'd be a bit less than Chroma Luger. Alrighty, Chroma Grimstone, no. This guy's pretty stacked too, but he does not have what I want. Dark Bringer. So far, nah, but it sucks. I actually have a bunch of coins. Should I kind of feel like unboxing it, but at the same time I don't, because like if we go to the shop, if I go to the shop, I want to get that. I can only get 20 boxes. That's crappy. Heck no. What? Yeah, I got the Dominus, but that's not what I'm after right now. I'm trying to find out. Full of beggars here. Leeches. I'm trying to get the new Chroma. None of these guys have it. Okay, this is too full. I'm gonna go back to the original server that I was in so I can peacefully explore the map. Okay, so training server 4 was pretty empty. I'm gonna go ahead and join that one. Hopefully these people don't follow me because it'd be much appreciated. So I got a solid 6 minutes to try to get the new map. Alright, hopefully it's not full. Nope, it's not. Please be nice and quiet. Of course, that's what I like. Nice, quiet server with 4 people. Hopefully it's not stuck in lobby mode, because that would really suck. Alright. Alright. I don't need new stuff. I don't want people already all up on me. Big headmaster doesn't look like it has new chroma. Nope, no new chromas, just this stuffy. Oof, he's not trading. Okay. I want to get the new biomap. Hopefully it pops up. I don't want classics, bro. 4. Oh, he gonna try to shoot me, bro. I ain't even trying to get him to shoot me, bro. I want to get shot, bro. I ain't trying to get shot. I'm trying to get shot. I ain't trying to get shot. I ain't trying to get shot. In the trading servers, he's got the. I might be doing the assassin stuff. He said he's a $50 card. That ain't me. Smile more. You're funny, bro. You are funny. What does this dude want? Let's see what this guy has. Let's see what this dude has. You want to trade for Chroma Fire Bears? I'll trade you my Chroma Fire Bear for your Chroma Fire Bear. That's what I thought. Big boy. I want to try the new map, bro, before the time runs out. I'm not going to be able to try it, and I'm going to be sad. Alright, well, I'm gonna try again later. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see if I can get these new items.